When it comes to improving the functionality, appearance, and energy efficiency of your home, replacing your doors is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. Whether you're upgrading to a more modern style, fixing drafts, or increasing security, door replacement is an excellent investment. If you're in Ferndale and planning to replace your doors, preparing thoroughly can make the process smoother and stress-free. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare for door replacement and ensure a seamless experience. Step 1. Assess your needs and set your goals. The first step in preparing for a door replacement is to determine your goals. Are you replacing a damaged door? Are you upgrading for better energy efficiency, style, or security? Knowing your priorities will help you choose the right door and guide the entire process. In Ferndale, where seasons bring both cool winters and warm summers, many homeowners opt for energy-efficient doors to maintain indoor comfort while saving on utility bills. Similarly, security is often a concern, making durable materials like steel or fiberglass a popular choice. Take time to list your specific needs and the problems you want your new door to solve. Step 2. Measure your doorway and choose the right door. Accurate measurements are crucial when ordering a new door. Measure the height, width, and depth of your existing door and door frame. If your doorway has unusual dimensions or unique features, you may need a custom door. Next, choose the type of door that meets your needs. Popular options include entry doors, designed for curb appeal, durability, and security. Patio doors, sliding or French doors that offer easy backyard access. Storm doors, add an extra layer of protection and energy efficiency. In Ferndale, weather-resistant materials like fiberglass and steel are excellent choices due to their ability to withstand the area's fluctuating climate. Step 3. Select a trusted door replacement professional. While some handy homeowners may consider a DIY approach, hiring a professional ensures the door is installed correctly, avoiding issues like drafts, misalignment, or energy loss. Look for door replacement companies in Ferndale with strong customer reviews, years of experience, and warranties on their work. Ask for a consultation or estimate to ensure the company understands your vision. A professional installer can also confirm measurements, recommend materials, and provide advice on the best door options for your home's architectural style. Step 4. Prepare your home for installation day. Once your installation is scheduled, preparing your home will make the process smoother. Start by clearing the area around the door to provide easy access for the installers. Remove any furniture, rugs, or decor near the doorway. If your door is near landscaping, trim back any plants or shrubs that might obstruct the work. Inside, cover your floors with protective material to prevent scratches or damage. If you have pets or small children, make arrangements to keep them safe and out of the way during the installation process. Step 5. Understand what to expect during installation. Door replacement typically involves removing the old door, inspecting the door frame for damage, and installing the new door. If the frame needs repairs, this will add some time to the project. The installation team will seal the new door properly to ensure it's airtight and energy efficient. Expect some noise and minor disruptions during installation. Most projects are completed within a few hours, though larger or more complex doors, like double entry doors, may take longer. Step 6. Perform a post-installation inspection. After the installation is complete, inspect the door carefully. Check that it opens and closes smoothly, locks securely, and is properly aligned. Look for any gaps around the edges and ensure the weather stripping is intact. If anything seems off, communicate with your installer immediately. Step 7. Enjoy your new door and maintain it. Your new door is an investment, so proper maintenance is essential. Clean your door regularly to prevent dirt buildup, and check the hardware and seals periodically for wear. In Ferndale, where weather conditions can vary, keeping your door in good shape will ensure it lasts for years to come. Replacing your door is an exciting opportunity to improve your home's comfort, style, and security. By following these steps, you can prepare effectively and enjoy a hassle-free experience. Whether you're upgrading an entry door, installing a new patio door, or adding a storm door, proper preparation will help you make the most of your investment in your Ferndale home.